Let's check out this cool Lego knockoff. These are Make It blocks. I found these at Dollar Tree, and you guessed it, $1 a piece. We got our military helicopter, 26 pieces. And we have our police helicopter. This one only has 25 pieces. And these are compatible with Lego and probably some other ones too. And here is the final build. Pretty cool little build. This is the military helicopter. And over here is the police helicopter. Pretty nice. And it comes with instructions. And it came with some extra pieces here. Came with an extra hockey stick and a hockey puck. Pretty cool. And this is the military instructions here. Came with these two extra pieces. And if you don't like these builds, how this looks, how that looks, on the back here, you can actually build a different design. So it's 2-in-1 design. Not quite sure what the bottom one is supposed to be. It says police helicopter, but this one, I think they just left out the propeller on top, because there's a spot right here where you can put the propeller. But that's two different little designs you can do. And for the military one, if you don't like this design, guess what? On the back, we got two different designs here too. This is the one I built right here. And if you don't like that one, you can go ahead and build this. And if you don't like any of them, build whatever you want. Yeah, this is a pretty cool little helicopter sets here. For only $1, you can't beat it. And it does have the build on the back, the second build. This is design B, and on the front, design A. So yeah, I thought these were pretty cool. Only paid $2 for both of them. Pretty nice, pretty cool. So go ahead and pick them up if you find them. I don't think you'll be disappointed, because I had a lot of fun building these, and I think you will too. See you in the next video, my dudes.